All right, this video is on reflections and distance in the coordinate plane. So we're starting on page 61 and 62. First off, it says if we're reflecting on the x-axis, so if we're folding the paper along the x-axis, we need to plot all these points, A, B, C, and D. Okay? And then we're going to plot the reflection of each, or the A prime. Okay, so if this is A, this is going to be A prime. Okay, if I fold it along this axis, it's going to be kind of like an ink blot here, an ink blot here. Okay, B, it's going to be here to here, and D, or C is going to be from here up to here, and D is from here to here. And then we can look at all these points, and we notice a pattern here. All right, the first number is not changing. So the x value stays the same when we reflect over the x-axis. But the y value is just the opposite. So here it's 1, here it's -1. Here it's 4, and the reflection it's -4. -2, and the reflection it's 2. All right, so the y value is its opposite. So keep the x, get the opposite y when you're reflecting on the x-axis. Then on the y-axis, we're folding it this way. You can see how they reflect it. Here's the A, here's A prime. Here's B, here's B prime. I think it got kind of erased there. And then C, C prime, and D, D prime. And here's the coordinates, and you'll notice the first number is what's changing here. So it's its opposite. The second number stays the same. All right? So the y value stays the same. The x value is its opposite. All right? Now, distance. Okay, on a grid, if we are given a coordinate grid or placed a graph, we can just count the spaces from B to A. In this case, it's 13. And then as we look at the ordered pairs, we notice that they both have the same y value. Okay? Now what we can do here is find the absolute value of the x value in both cases and add it together. So -9, absolute value is 9, absolute value of 4 is 4, so 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, which is the same as the distance of the units. Okay, same on this one. It's 15 units away. All right? They do have the same x value. And we find the absolute values of their y values, we get 15, which is the same as this. Okay, so it's kind of a trick that we can use. If they are on the same line, we can just find the distance of the absolute values of the other two. Now, it doesn't work on everyone. Like on this one, we notice that since it's above here, we can't add the absolute values, all right? The distance is less than, it's actually 6, I believe, all right? So it's a great strategy, but it doesn't work all the time, okay? Thanks for watching.